Duggans Junction, and today we're going to be going over the second installment video of the PCB boards which are fitted in the Hornby Class 50s. The example I'm going to run through today is 1621X009R1. The aim of these videos are to help anybody who is having lighting or running issues with the locomotives, or maybe you've just taken it apart and then you forgot which wires go where, which I've done myself. So I don't want these videos to drag on very long, so let's get stuck straight into it. The locomotive this PCB board has come from is 50002 Superb. I wouldn't pay too much notice to the name and the number though, as I have noticed that the same locomotives do have different PCB boards in them sometimes. So just bear that in mind. So what I would probably say is just stick to the code which is on the PCB board. So I'm going to start from left to right, and I'm going to go from 1 to 12. Number 1 is a black wire which goes to the lighting unit which goes down to the cab. Number 2 is a red wire which goes to the lighting unit on the cab. Number 3 is a black wire which goes to the pickup on the motor which sits underneath the fan. Number 4 is also a pickup wire which goes to the bogie underneath the fan. Number 5 is a black wire which goes down through this section of the wire unit, and number 6 is a red wire which also goes down to that wiring unit. So moving across to the other side, number 7 is a red wire, and that goes to this lighting unit. Number 8 is a black wire which also goes to that lighting unit. Number 9 is a black wire which goes down to the pickups on the bogies. Number 10 is a red wire which also goes down to the bogie for one of the pickups. Number 11 is a red wire which goes to this lighting fixture here, and number 12 is a black wire which also goes to this part of the lighting fixture. So like I said, that's a very short and sweet video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Last but not least, I keep forgetting these. That's a red wire which goes down to the motor, and that one's a black wire which goes down to the motor. So I hope you enjoyed the video and it's helped some of you out, guys. Like I said, very quick video. I'm going to now get cracking on because I've got a couple more here to do at the moment. And one over there, which is on the rolling road, turn it off. And I'll bring those videos to you shortly. Thanks for watching and take care.